Welcome, everyone. My name is Matt. This is Walking the Highline with Highline Financial Coaching. I'm excited to be with you today. Today, we are talking about maximizing your finances and leveraging banking products for financial management. Over the last couple of years of coaching, I've utilized a lot of different banks and a lot of different resources that are at a bank to help manage your finances more effectively. Today we're diving into that world of the different products. We're going to do a brief explanation of some of the products that are available to you and how they can help you effectively manage your finances, from checking accounts to mortgages. We're going to explore those various options that are available and how they can benefit you, your family, and your business. So banking products have played a crucial role for years with managing your finances. So they're not the only option, and there can be some challenges when you're working with the banking world, but they make it very easy and effective to manage those finances. They provide essential tools for managing our money and achieving our financial objectives. So let's take a closer look at some of those key products that are offered by a bank and how they can support you and your financial goals. So the first one is checking accounts. Anyone that's used a bank has had a checking account. So this is where all your money comes in, it goes out, you keep track of it, you get statements every single month. So the checking accounts are really the cornerstone of your personal finances. They offer a convenient way to manage your day-to-day expenses. They have debit cards for online banking and mobile apps. Checking accounts provide that easy access to your funds while they allow you to track your spending and manage your cash flow effectively. So it also makes it very easy. At any given time, you can pull up an app on your phone and say, okay, what have I spent for the day? And it's all right there if you're utilizing your debit card or utilizing that checking account. Now, savings accounts are things that you can add on as well. And these are designed to help you save and grow your money over time. So with a bank, your interest rate isn't going to be that great compared to other investing options, but a savings account is a good way to be able to start funneling money over into savings, into retirement. And sometimes you'll get some decent rates at a bank if you lock them in. But this is just a good way to store the money so that you can utilize it in better investing options down the road. And this will help you achieve those financial goals, whether it's an emergency fund, a vacation fund, or a down payment on a house. So there's ways to accelerate those savings accounts. Some of the things that we coach our clients is how to do accelerated savings programs, or utilize that to help pay down your debt or get into a better position with your investments down the road. So also, lines of credit and HELOCs. These are some of the more vital tools that a bank offers. And so for this entire month, or for the next few videos, we're going to talk about all these options more in depth. All these products, we're going to go into more depth on how you can utilize them as a very effective tool for managing your money. But for now, we're just going to do a brief description of lines of credit and HELOCs. So lines of credit and home equity lines of credit, HELOCs, are flexible borrowing options that allow you to access funds when you need them. Whether it's for home improvements, debt consolidation, or unexpected expenses, lines of credit and HELOCs provide a convenient and cost-effective way to borrow money while leveraging your assets. So if you have houses, or if you're able to get unsecured lines of credit, or even secured lines of credit, these are great ways to have a rainy day fund for those emergencies that come down the road. And these are like I said, as we go into more depth, the best time to get these type of things is when you're doing well, when there's more money coming in, because the bank is going to look at that. Also, credit cards. Credit cards can be extremely useful tools for managing your finances. Credit cards are convenient, they're flexible, you've got rewards, they also come with responsibilities. The credit cards are very good if you pay them off at the end of every single month, or when those statement balances are due. The problem is if you let those credit cards get huge balances on them because they start charging 10, 20, 30, 40% interest annualized on those cards. And that can start hurting the effectiveness of your paying down power if you let those get too high. But if you use them correctly and disciplined, they can also help pay for your trips. They can help pay for your hotel rooms. They can give you money back if you're utilizing them very disciplined and effectively. So, and we're going to do a couple videos based just on credit card utilization and how to do that correctly and efficiently. Also, mortgages and refinances. Mortgages are long-term loans that most people need to get a house today. With house prices being as high as they are, unless you've got a lot of money that you want to put into an asset, most people need to take out a mortgage. So a mortgage is a huge loan. It's probably the biggest loan that most people will ever make. And that is something that is paid every single month, and that's annualized over 15, 20, 25, 30 years. And so these are loans that help you get into a house, buy an asset, and hopefully be able to increase the value of that asset over time. A lot of times people use refinancing options. Sometimes you get into a loan and the interest rate is extremely high. And so when interest rate comes down, some people will do a refinance and try to get that into a better position. They'll also do cash out refinances to be able to cover some of those unexpected costs. So we're going to go into some of those different options for utilizing mortgages and refinances. So banking products offer a wide range of tools and resources to help you manage your finances effectively and achieve your financial goals. There are also a lot of things you have to do to get approved by a bank. A lot of times banks are not our friends unless we're in a position to show them that we can guarantee those payments back to them. So we're going to talk about ways to increase your credit score, how to show that, because even with a good credit score, they're not going to give you money if there's not enough money to pay that back. So we're really going to dive in deep and help you understand the banking world. So let's dig in. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like this video, send it to someone. Please subscribe so that you get an update on our weekly videos. And I look forward to going over each of these more in the coming weeks and helping you increase those finances. I hope you guys continue to walk that financial high line. My name is Matt with Highline Financial Coaching. Have a great day.